Organizations work with different models to perform their strategic planning. Some may be more granular, and others might focus on a specific territory or region. Typically, many of the models have a similar structure. For example, custom dimensions and accounts, as well as scenarios and time periods, may only differ slightly. You can manage your metadata by choosing a single source model that includes the metadata you want to copy to one or more target models. I'll navigate to the Models page, where I can define the criteria for copying model metadata. On the row for the source model, click the ellipsis, select Model Change Management, MCM, and create a new definition. I'll add target models. You can select one or more models as targets. I won't select Exclude, which would stop my target model from being included when MCM runs. I'll select the source metadata to copy, some accounts. I'll select the accounts for which I want to copy the subaccounts to my target. Note that I can select one or more of the listed options. I'll select the accounts for which I want to copy account attributes to my target, and select Scenarios and Options. In this case, I'll include all the scenarios and both options to rename accounts and copy other account attributes. To change the selected scenarios and attributes, click the link in the corresponding row. I'll leave my selections the way they are. Before copying metadata, let's look at our target model to see how it is currently set up. There is no subaccount 0010 for the V2660 account. For account V0100, the account forecast is set as standard, and there is no formula specified in the target. I'll run the Model Change Management rule to copy metadata from the source to the target. A confirmation message indicates the Model Change Management rule was submitted as a job. I can take a look at the status from the Models page. I'll navigate to the Jobs page, where we can verify that the job ran successfully. I'll open the target model so that I can take a look at the changes. For the V2660 account, the subaccount from the source model was copied to the target model. For the V0100 account, the forecast type freeform was copied from the source model to the target model, and the formula was also copied. For more information on copying metadata, visit the Planning and Budgeting Cloud Help Center and view a tutorial. Copying account groups, copying time periods, copying scenarios. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.